Ini kinaandahan binangis dia. Parang binangis dia.
Isnanya.
The Officers Center March is a military tradition that enables the subordinate officers to move closer to the commander and gorgeously presenting themselves as they march towards the center of the parade ground. They symbolize the desire to be united strongly, bonded to one another in search for a common goal, and their loyalty to the commander to be of service to the Filipino people.
Di ba ada exhibition na kay laon?
Okay.
Basta
The battalion commander has directed the troops to execute present arms to present the court to do the honoring. May I invite everyone to please stand to honor the guest of honor and speaker.
ano ba?
Please be seated. The battalion commander renders salute to the honorary and report that the troop is ready for inspection. May I request the guest of honor and speaker, Police Brigadier General Dionisio B. Bartolome Jr. to lead the trooping of the line. May we also request our Municipal Mayor, Honorable Concito S. Mascon, other officials in front, and the personnel from the 1403 Community Defense Center and other line agencies to join the trooping of the line. A celebration and thanksgiving is a subtle and a powerful medium through which the Itachan communicate their varied emotions to the outside world. It is an avenue where the many beautiful and value-laden cultural practices of the past, especially those that are most forgotten, can resurface to give inspirations, especially to the young generation of the Jan. It will likewise help us trace our origin as a people and move on to purify and enrich our culture relevant with the needs of the time, yet still stand out as Italian.
exhibition handa yan.
Momentarily, the battalion commander directs his staff to stay behind him, then shouts the series of command to execute the manual of arms to test the proficiency of his troops in handling their respective weapon. Right shoulder arms. Left shoulder arms. Board arms. Order arms. Inspection arms. Board arms. And finally, order arms. Let's give them a warm round of applause. The battalion commander directed the staff to march behind him, then render salute to the honoree and report that the troop is ready for pass and review. Before the pass and review officially starts, the committee would like to thank Honorable Constituent S. Maston, the Tisan family, Lubon National High School, municipal officials and employees, and the 1403 CDC training staffs for their encouragement and guidance.
Ilang minutes.
Umabot si 30 na ta or
Nanay na kami amin?
end of po dating kani. Hindi ko alanan buo. Hindi alam dito na. Uso pa din.
Ilang.
A pass and review before you, beloved guests and visitors, are the ROTC and CTV cadets, under the supervision of the 1403 Community Defense Center, headed by the Director, Lieutenant Colonel Vincent A. Lowigan, HMS Philippine Army. Approaching the gun stand, ladies and gentlemen, are the Mariners headed by the Corps Commander and his staff, Lieutenant Colonel George Beaver Empathan, First Class. Corps Adjutant, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Ramirez. Corps S1, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Lambayang. Corps S3, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Ando. Corps S4, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Momo. Corps S7, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Amiora. Approaching is the Alpha Company under the command of Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Boyd C. Dalipas, First Class. First platoon led by Cadet Captain Roger Hilario, Second Class. Second platoon led by Cadet Captain Daday F. Antoine, Second Class. Ladies and gentlemen, this prize for the passing of colors under the command of Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Kitty A. Pangal, First Class. This emergency cars and trains ban.
Andaman report.